Hallo, heute singe ich Titanium von David Guetta. Geht's hier? Okay, legen wir mal los. You shut me down, that I can feel what you say. And don't for love, you say much. Until the end, with all you got to choose. You shut me down, but I lit up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away. You shut me down, I long for. I'm the champion. You shut me down, I long for. I'm the champion. Tell me down, what is you I have to learn? Falling too far, ghosting and haunted love. Where you was, sticks and stones might break my bones. And tangled love, no saying much. Umbrella proof, nothing to lose. Far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away. You shut me down, I long for. I'm too tired. You shut me down, I long for. I'm too tired. I'm too tired. I'm too tired. Somehow, machine gun, heard that we're all too wrong. Somehow, it fell from grace. You shut me down, I'm the champion. You shut me down, I'm the you shut me down, I'm too tired. You shut me down, I'm too I'm too Das war mein Video, wo ich Titanium gesungen habe. Heute wurde mein Zahn gezogen, darum konnte ich nicht so gut singen. Und bis zum nächsten Mal, euer Simon.